ciao, 73.
161, Canary Island.
161.
Yes, Roger. 34, Alpha Bravo, 01. This is 161. Kilo Tango Whiskey, 200. Operator name Lucas. 1 moment, 5x7. Back to you.
Okay, Lucas, 161, Kilo Tango Whiskey, 200. 34, Alpha Bravo, 01. My name is Santi, Lucas. Sierra Alpha, November Tango India. 57, Kilo Sir.
Yes, Roger Santi. Very, very good signal. Very good DX. 5x7 stability signal. Okay, Santi. Where is your city from Canary Island?
Lucas, I'm sorry, I have a sobremodulation. Repeat again, Lucas.
Where is your city from Canary Island? Where is your city, Canary Island?
My island is Tenerife Island.
Tenerife.
Every city is Adeje, Alpha, Delta, Echo, Juliet, Echo. Yes, sir, Lucas.
Yes, Roger, Santi. Roger. My city from South Poland is Katowice, Santi. Katowice, Kilo, Alpha, Tango, Oscar, Whiskey, India, Charlie, Echo. Katowice, South Poland, Santi, back to you.
Okay, my friend Lucas. My working condition, cubical antenna, 2 elements. The radio JS 991. Microphone studio, 200 watts. Yes, sir.
Yes, Roger. My radio is Striker. 955 HPC Plus. Antenna is Mantowa Turbo. This is my my stock radio and antenna. Okay, Santi. Okay, thank you very much. 34 Alpha Bravo 01. This is 161 Kilo Tango Whiskey 200. Santi, thank you very much for quickly contact.
Okay, Lucas. What's your antenna? Antenna, please.
Antenna is Mantowa Turbo 58.
Mantowa Turbo, vertical antenna. Good antenna, Lucas. 73, thank you for the contact. All the best, my friend. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao. 73 Santi, bye bye.